Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So I am currently working on those paper pumpkin alternative videos for June 2024 kit called Life is Sweet. This is alternative video number 23. There will be 24 for June 2024's paper pumpkin. I have one more left in me, and it will be a type of hidden paper clip bookmark, something like that. So let's take a look-see. If you are new to my channel and have stopped by, thank you for stopping by. If you are returning, you guys are the best. Thank you so much. So this month you got to make 9 cards, 3 of this design, 3 of this one, and 3 of this one. On the back there is a QR code to lead you to a video that will show you how to make the cards as they were designed. This one down here will show you how to order the Thanks and Beyond dies, which were coordinated with April, May, and June. There is a new set available that if you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, let's just get it out. I need to just leave it out here for one more, well, 2 more videos, right? Video number 24 and video number, not 25, my paper pumpkin review. So it's this set of 3 dies. Now this one of course will coordinate with a flower stamp in one of the kits. This says hooray, and this is a leaf, and I cannot wait to see what that flower actually is. Yes, okay, I'm gonna leave that right there. Pardon me. So a visual of everything in the kit and the coordinating colors. Now videos 1 through 5, I show you everything in the kit, and after that I don't. So I do use only 1 box of paper pumpkin unless it coordinates with a following paper pumpkin, then I normally buy 2, but usually I just use 1 paper pumpkin to do all my cards. This says, "You're truly amazing. Life is so much sweeter with friends like you. Wish you were here. Thanks, sweet friend. Sending a big squeeze and so much to celebrate." So what are we using for this one? Well, I'm on the fence a little, but we are using a half of the card base, which is this. We're going to cut it. I have a white card base, a white envelope. The card base is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4, and some stickers. Yes. This should be fairly easy, but let's cut this card base down. This is only a portion of it. I cut 4 by 5 1/4 off the other side. Now this is 4 by 5 1/4. There we have it. Now what I thought I would do, I debated long and hard. I could have taken this stamp set and stamped down here and just put, you know, "Hello friend" from the Country Birdhouse. I could do that. Or I can use these stickers because I think this would pair beautifully with that. Let's just get it out and see. I mean, and it's really just the one but the dragonfly I am. See, look how pretty those are. And the birdhouse just doesn't go with the dragonflies. So we're going to go dragonflies. We are going to go dragonflies. So why not, right? So all I need to do now is stick this on my card base. Like so. Let's get some glue on it. And as I'm now going to glue it down, I know that I had another idea. So many ideas, and now I'm out of stuff to do it. I was like, I could have stamped the sayings all the way across this. I still can do it. What I thought about doing is taking "Wish You Were Here" and stamping it like so on the page. The only problem with me doing that now is to do so, I'm going to need some paper. So I'm not even going to put the Stampin' Pierce mat down. Just because I just did this, right? I just messed up. So we are going to stamp. We can also stamp thanks if you wanted to, but we are going to stamp off. And then there. It's just going to add to the background. Stamp off each time. And I need to move it each time because I messed up. So this one's going to have like so. Stamp off. I wonder, what do I have? Oh, I can use this bit. I can use this bit. That will work really well. Maybe. Zed. Hank is alive. Get him. He's being bad little. I'm going to go a little bit more there. Wipe off my ink. Everybody's going to go bark at Hank. Why? I don't know. It's not like they don't know the child lives here, right? Oh. And my dog Boone is doing really good. The vet made us put a t-shirt on him because he freaks out with the cone of shame, as Hank calls it. The dog just cannot handle the cone. He thrashes around. So the vet's like, put a t-shirt on him. Because him and I got, similar scars now. As Hank says. We can be scar buddies. Alright, we just want to do that. And that one came out a little darker. So now, wish you were here. And then I'm going to stamp this one, hoping you have the best day ever. And I want this. I'm trying to see where I want it. Let's get the dragonfly. I want this big dragonfly, so I want it like right up in. I may not need to do. Let's just put the dragonfly down and see. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? So I'm thinking it needs. I can do hello friend. Let's see what we have in my little thing here for, oh, where's that thing I was stamping on? That would work. We're gonna do like a circle or need something, something. I just used this in the last one, so I don't know why. I don't think I have anything else that will work. The heartfelt hexagon, that will work. This will work. So then what I'm gonna do, there's that. And what else do I have that I can stamp? I don't like that. Let's see if I can get another circle punch out of this. Oh, I can. Now let's just hope I can stamp on it. And I have hello friend right here. And I know it's got a little line through it there. It's going to be fine. And then we're going to stamp some speckly bits. This one, oh, it's white on that side. Okay, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I don't, that did not work. So we could stamp hello friend. There. Here. And I need to move the dragonfly's body a bit. There. And we need something to stamp a little bit full strength. Now it's Now that works, but we can do a second dragonfly. Like so. Look how simple that was. And a little bit of stamping. So we used Wish You Were Here from this kit. I'm going to put this back here and that circle because sometimes I use circles to measure things. So we used Wish You Were Here from the actual paper pumpkin kit. Hello Friend is from the Country Birdhouse. Let me show you. Right there. Oh. That came out so nice. And let's see. Phyllis, oh, that's from my stamp set. I don't want to lose that. She sent me, these were in this last box she sent me these. I could add a little strip of those there and there. Let's do that. That's getting glue everywhere. I'm looking for, guys, the pokey tool. We're actually going to split this. We are going to do 2 at the top and 3 at the bottom. And 2 up there. Oops, scoot down a little. Oh, now look at that. Most definitely. All right. Oh, this one. And it's so simple and so easy. And the wow factor is just that. I love this. So we have to, give me a second. I have to put away punches here because they're getting in my way. I think I'm going to donate some of my retired punches to the library's craft section because they had literally like 3 punches up there. I was kind of sad to see that. So I just need to go through my punches and donate some good ones to them. Shapes that I don't need or that I have doubles of. We need to stamp on this. And where's the Hello Friend? Because we're going to need that in the Summer Splash because that's what we used. We're just going to do Hello Friend, and then down here, we're going to stamp that on the inside and on our envelope. So, clean and crisp, and let's do the inside of our card. Depending on what time it is, I might see if Hank wants to go to my Aunt Carol's to go swimming. You do want to go swimming? Mm-hmm. All right. Well, let me get you something. I'm happy that Boo's allowed on the couch. Yeah, we have to keep, it's not that we just got to keep him from moving. Let me finish the video. Say hello, Hank. Hi. There he is. So, guys, this is it for today. Thank you all for watching. And as always, I'm going to ask if you are not subscribed that you might consider subscribing and helping me out if you like what I do. I do appreciate you coming by and watching. If you have time, I would love to know your comments on this simple little version of the card. There was a set called Dragonfly Garden that I thought about using, but the dragonflies were already done. That would have been lovely on here. So, guys, you guys are the best. Your comments are why I keep doing this. Thank you so very much. And I invite you to come back and visit me in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now.